Welcome to our YouTube video discussing the issue of air pollution and its widespread effects on children across Europe. According to the latest assessment of air pollution by the European Environment Agency, degraded air is leading to the premature death of at least 1,200 children each year and is barely below healthy standards across the continent. Children can be especially sensitive to air pollutants, as these pollutants can have permanent impacts that begin before they are even born, such as low birth weight and premature birth. The impacts can be seen later in life as well, with increased risk of allergies, asthma attacks, difficulty breathing, ear infections and more. Gerardo Sanchez Martinez, an expert in environment and health at the EEA, said it best when he noted you can't think about children as little adults when it comes to air pollution. We are failing our children on air pollution. Though the EU is aiming to limit PM 2.5 and nitrogen dioxide to 10 and 20 micrograms per cubic meter by 2030 respectively, experts believe this is not enough. To truly combat this issue, the sources that these pollutants arise from, such as traffic and burning of coal, must be reduced. There are a few changes that can be made to help reduce the new levels of air pollution for children. Clean air zones should be set up around schools with restrictions on traffic, idling engines and more. Even if these restrictions don't completely eliminate air pollution, it can still make a big difference. Other ways to reduce children's exposure may include hedges and trees planted around playgrounds, switching to back roads on the way to school, or better design of school facilities with good ventilation and filters. Unfortunately, the UK is not included in the EEA's assessment as the UK government has opted out of EEA membership post-Brexit. The government had proposed to limit air pollution in line with the EU until 2040, despite evidence that this could be achieved much sooner. With stronger action on the sources of the pollution, air quality should increase in the UK. The European Environment Agency has called on European countries to do more to protect children from air pollution. It's their job to protect those who cannot protect themselves. We need to continue our efforts to make sure that our children are living in clean air and that they are safe.